Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready to take off. This is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and power heated mirrors. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.